Can you talk about the future of digital marketing? Digital marketing is undoubtedly the future technology. The reason why I said it's the future is because, so take an example in 2000 or 2010. So we don't have social media. We are not completely into social media. So we use newspapers to get information. But nowadays we have social media. So not everyone is reading newspapers nowadays. So it has transformed with the way that we live. So in general, at the time of newspapers or before newspapers, I can say, so we only get news from radio or newspaper. That's the only way. So only few people have access to all the information. But with the evolution of social media, every individual now has the access to everything in the world. So now take an example of advertising. So in 2010 or 2015, in 5 years back, so the only way of advertising is by using television ads or by using banners in the roads. Like it might be hoarding or it might be a just poster in the road. So take an example. So is a training institute. So and they want to advertise about their training institute. How they can actually do that? If they use the traditional format, like by advertising in television or by putting hoardings on newspaper. So let's suppose they were training people on programming. So the training institute offers different programming courses. Let's say they want to advertise about their institute. If they put hoardings on roads or near buildings, then everyone has the access to view that advertisement, but they have to pay a lot. But do you think every individual needs to I can see that advertisement? So if, let's suppose, if there is a 5-year-old kid, he don't need that advertisement because he's not going to training institute to learn programming. And if you consider a 40-year-old man or 50-year-old man, they don't need, right, they don't need that advertisement. There are only certain age group that actually they need. So but still they have to pay a lot. So it is applicable to television. So if you can see television ads, yeah, take an example of a shampoo for women. So but even men are able to see that advertisement because we don't actually need that, but still we are able to see that, and they will pay a lot for advertising about the brand. But what if there is an option to target certain group of people who they think are the target customers? So if a brand is selling their shampoo for women, and not every woman needs their shampoo, only women with age group 16 to 25 needs that, then what if they had the choice to target only people from 16 to 25? Then it saves them a lot of cost, and there will be good returns too because they were targeting the right people. And what if there is a scope for them to target people on certain places? So if they believe that only people from hill stations will use that, then what if they have that flexibility to target certain age group people and with people who are living in certain places? It saves them a lot. So in general, if the advertising revenue is 10 crores for a television ads, you can do this with 10 lakhs because you're targeting only less category of people, and you're targeting only, I can say, people from few places. Then you can put more on advertisement and you can get more sales. So it is what digital marketing is. Digital marketing is not like a marketing or sales. It is completely different. It is like customized way of advertising, and everyone are used to social media. So brands are using social media to target people. So if you see an ad, so if you search on something about laptops under 50,000 and suddenly you see a laptop ad, so which means you are actually being targeted by the brand. And you are the targeted customer for them because you are the one who needs that laptop. That's the reason why you search it in Google, and simply Amazon or Flipkart show you the same ad. So it is what digital marketing is. It saves the time for brands and it also saves the money for them, so that they can put their expenditure on some other thing, and ultimately they will land into profits. So every individual needs it, whether you want to grow your personal brand or business.